Coronavirus. It has been shuddering the whole world. It has affected almost 74,10,500 people across the world and has killed nearly 4,18,000 people. Well, it is not delighting to wear masks, gloves and carry sanitizers wherever we go. No doubt imposing lockdown and maintaining social distancing has helped to prevent the virus from spreading. But we need a cure to this pandemic. Is vaccine the only hope? Will the vaccine be effective? Why it would take time much longer than we think? And what if we don't find the vaccine? Here are the answers to all the questions we have about the vaccine. When you come into contact with viruses or bacteria, your body's immune system make antibodies to fight them off. A vaccine forces your immune system to make antibodies against a specific disease, usually with dead or weakened form of germs. Then, if you come into contact with them again, your immune system knows what to do. The vaccine gives you immunity so you don't get sick. So, your illness is much milder than it otherwise would have been. Vaccine is the only and the fastest way to prevent the coronavirus because the vaccine can reach to the masses. The vaccine would work in your body or immune your body for 3 to 4 years, but the vaccine are found to be effective to the people below the age of 50. It may also have few side effects, but this is the only solution. So how long could a COVID-19 vaccine take? More than 100 possible vaccines are in various stages of development around the world. Some have begun human clinical trials, but certain things cannot be rushed, like how long it takes a person's immune system to respond to a vaccine, or the wait to check for the side effects. Even when researchers find a vaccine that works, it could take 12 to 18 months at best before it's ready for the public, and it gets intense and deadly. What if we don't find a vaccine? As per the report, 37% of vaccines fail in the first phase of testing itself, whereas 69% fail in the second phase and 42% go fertile in the third phase. Only 10% of total vaccines manage to reach the last stage and get approval. It's simple. The longer we go without a vaccine, the more likely focus will shift towards treatments, which has reportedly shown promising results. With effective treatments, many viruses that used to be fatal are no longer death sentences. For example, patients with HIV now can expect to enjoy the same life expectancy as non-HIV positive individuals. Without a coronavirus vaccine, the road back to normal may be harder and longer, but not necessarily impossible. Coronavirus testing, including antibody testing and contact tracing efforts, would probably need to intensify. Lockdown measures are already lifting slowly, although depending on people's behavior, potential resurgence of infections, cities and states may bring back certain quarantine measures, including requiring face masks and social distancing. That's it for this video. Also, I'll be linking all the sources of information in the description for detailed info. It would be remarkable if you liked the video. Comment your thoughts on this. Share the video if you found it presentable and informative. And subscribe to the channel for more value-adding content. Be responsible, stay positive, stay safe. Thank you.